This is a very quick health talk about men, which I'm about to give. Even though it is always difficult for us women to absorb it and believe it, but it is what it is. Why is it often hard, difficult for men to control their thing, for them to stick to just one person, one woman? Why is it often hard? Is it that they don't have self-control? Is it all of them that don't have self-control? Most of them actually have self-control. They are struggling, they are striving, they are trying to control that, but there are things in their body which they cannot control. Let me tell you, men have the highest number of this hormone that is called sexual hormone. It is called testosterone. What this hormone does is, this is the hormone that controls your ability to have something to do with woman, your ability to have that drive to go down with a woman. That is what this hormone does. Men have it in greatest or highest quantity. It's not as if women do not have it. Women have it, but they just have tiny bit, just tiny bit of it, and it's that tiny bit that controls their desire as well. But just imagine when men have about, say more than 80% and women about 10%. For instance, I'm not saying that this is the percentage they have, but I'm just giving you an instance. Just have to imagine how much men are actually struggling to deal with this. Okay, that is why sometimes it is difficult for them to control their thing and stick to just one person. And let me also tell you that this hormone in men does not wear off. This testosterone stays almost till their lifespan, and that's what gives them the capacity, that's what gives them the strength, that drive. That's why even at old age, men still have that drive, they still have that urge, they still have that feeling to have to go down with a woman. Unlike women, that when they are advancing in age, when they are aging, the drive, the feeling wears off, it goes down. Even when they are not aging, sometimes it fluctuates. Like as a young person, because of your cycle, your period, your whatever, it fluctuates. Sometimes you have the feeling, sometimes you don't have the feeling, because these hormones are never stable in your body. They are never stable, but that of men is very much stable. The second reason I'm about to give you is the fact that men are driven by sight. Men are controlled by what they see. A man can see someone that dresses so well, with so much physique, stature, and everything, and he's been driven. He starts having that desire, that feeling, okay? But that is not the case with women. Women would have to attach emotions first. For a woman to agree to go down with you, first of all, she must love you. She must attach feelings to you. It could be because of what you give her. It could be because of the way you treat her. But men do not have to attach any emotions before they, go down with you. They actually must be driven. They must be attracted by that thing which they see. Then the third reason is the fact that the society we live in encourage men to voice their desire in that aspect. Their desire, you know what I'm talking about? That feeling, that kind of feeling. The society encourages that for men. But if you're a woman and you start having that feeling, that is why even as a woman and you're married, to even ask your husband or verbalize your feelings to your husband is always difficult for you, because you don't want to be misinterpreted. You don't want to be seen as that person that is so loose, even to your husband. Do you get what I'm saying? So the society does not encourage women to voice out their emotions regarding or on that aspect. But for men, if you don't even voice it out, they will term you as not being they term you as being weak on that area. So the society encourages that in men, but not in women. That's why it seems as if men, they struggle, they find it difficult to control their thing. Some of them, like I said, are actually trying. It's like a struggle to them. So we should not always be quick to judge them. That's the essence of this. Okay?